once again, Motorsport fans, and welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at the Alpinestars Tech7S youth boot. This is our first youth boot. We've been running the Fox K5 kids boot the past 2 or so years, which has served us well, but these max out at a kid size 12. So above that, we're going to go with youth sizing. We went with the Alpinestars and they start at a youth size 2. Now, there's a huge difference between the kids boot here and the youth boot. The youth boot is much more like an adult's boot, a lot more protection, but it's also a lot heavier. So let's get on the workbench, let's do a bit of an unboxing and have more of an in-depth look. So here we go. I've gone for the black, white, orange design, and these are 2021 released. So there we go there. There, inside the box, we've got a little footwear care manual, which inside, there doesn't seem to be much. There seems to be a lot of different languages, but not a huge amount of content. Okay. Put that back in there. So these Tech7Ss, they run 3 buckles. Okay. So these are size 2. Now, like I said before, they start at a US size 2. US size 1 does not exist with these boots. So just bear that in mind. But you will find that inside they are quite full of protection, full of foam. So you may, if your young bloke is a size 1, you may find the size 2 fits in fine. Okay. So as I said before, this Tech7S is much more like a Tech 10 or an adult's Alpinestar boot. So you've got really, really good shim protection there. You've got a shim plate in there. Okay. You've obviously got a cap at the end, but the whole boot itself is extremely sturdy and extremely solid, and you can see it'll absorb impact and keep the ankle and leg together quite well in the event that it needs to. All right, now comparing that to the K5, you've got a huge difference. Now that shim pad there, have a look at that compared to that one. Okay, huge difference, a lot more protection. At the bottom here towards the foot and the toe, not as much difference as far as protection goes. If anything, the Fox is probably firmer and offers maybe more protection there. The soles on the Fox, you can see it's very basic, whereas the Alpinestars got a lot more different textures and that, whereas you got the standard one with the Fox there. So, now the first thing that that I noticed when I picked up these boots is the weight. So I've got my my lovely wife has agreed to lend me her kitchen scales here. So I'm going to weigh these boots just to compare, because it's very interesting the weight difference. So here you've got the Fox K5 in a size 12 at 571 grams, okay, or 570, give or take, okay. Now you've got the Alpinestars Tech7S comes in at 1036, so it's nearly double the weight. And if you put them in, if you put them side by side, you can definitely feel that weight difference. Now, so just to show you the buckle system here, just comes off like that and out. So you've got plastic here. There's your adjustment, so plenty of adjustment. And the metal piece just feeds into that buckle there. Give that a pull and clip straight in. Very, very sturdy, very firm. There's no, I don't think there's any issues that becoming undone while the boy's riding at all. So here's the first day out breaking in these new Tech7Ss. One thing I have noticed is they've got a very good seal here. Got your knee guards here, but a very good seal here. So it's going to keep the mud out of the shoe itself or the boot itself. They went on pretty easily. Lachlan's about a size 1 US. He's obviously a size 2, and they're a really good fit. His toes are up to about here. So he's got a bit of growing room, but like I said, there's plenty of foam inside these boots. So it's quite a firm fit and plenty of adjustment with the buckles there. Just do a spin for us, Lachlan. Have a quick look. There you go. Set of new wheels. All right, guys. Take care. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.